Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to understand about the loops in AppScript. Okay, so loop is something which is the most important thing in any programming language, because without loop we won't be able to do the automation, because loop is only help us to save the time and reduce and increase the accuracy of the work. Okay, so that's why today we are going to understand about the for loops in AppScript. Okay, and we must have very good understanding about the loops, because these are the things and only this is what actually which help us to save the time and to make the things dynamic and automated, right? So let's understand it about the loops. So here I have written 4 questions, okay, which we will be doing in today's video. So here I have written, here you guys can see I have written how do we start with the loops. Okay, so here you guys can see 4. Okay, and I will also write it in the code editor. Okay, I will show you. So we will have to start from 4, and after that you need to declare one variable from where to where you want to run this loop. You must have the beginning and the ending point. Okay, beginning and the ending point of ending point, I mean end row or end value. Okay, till which till where that you want to execute your task, you want that code to keep on running. Okay, to keep on doing your repetitive work. Okay, so that's what actually today we will be doing. So here my first question is how we can print the serial number, okay, in the logger. So let's print it. Okay, I have this editor. So let's start to write function my function1. Okay, now let's start to write. You need to start from 4k from 1. I want to start from k1 and k less than equal to 10. I want to run it till 10 row number, till 10 value. Okay, 10 times I want to run this, 10 times I want this loop should run. So in semicolon k plus plus, after that you will have to write, you will have to write, and you will have to write here curly bracket and press enter. What do you want to print? You want to print the serial number. Serial number will be storing in k. And for your information, I would say k plus plus. Don't get confused here, because k plus plus is something which is keep on adding your loop time. For example, it has run 1 time, so it will be k plus 1. If it has run 2 times, it will be k plus 2, and so on, right? So this is why we have written here k plus plus. So let's start to write the second line, logger dot log. In the curly bracket, after this is the condition. Okay, how many times you want to run, that's what actually you need to mention in this open and close bracket. And okay, if it is running, so what should it do? Okay, that's what that code you need to write in under the curly bracket. Dot logger dot log, I want to print k, simple. Now press Ctrl R. It is saying reload. Okay, so I think my network is gone. Just let me check what is the problem. Because without internet it will not run. So just wait. Okay, I'm just connecting my Wi-Fi got, I don't know what happened. Okay, all right, it is getting connect. Let's wait. Okay, so now let's reload it. Not an issue. Reload it. Okay, we have reloaded this page. It will get refreshed. So I think we need to write it again. Okay, no. Okay, we need to write it again. Okay, so let's start to write function. We need to write here function my function. Okay, 1. Here you need to write the code. You need to write the code for loop for k from 1 I want to run till k less than equal to 10, and k plus plus. I just told you what are these meaning. Okay, why do we do this? So I want to print here serial number logger dot log and k. Now let's press Ctrl R. What Ctrl R does? It saves your code first, then it will automatically get executed itself. Okay, again we need to press Ctrl R. Now you see it is saving my project. Now you will be able to see these are the serial number we have got. At what time it got printed, the timing also you are getting here. Okay, at 1:24:56 a.m. you are just printing the 6, in the logger. That's what, and that's how we do. Okay, that's how we do, right? All right. Okay, the first question we have done. Second, print the serial number in the sheet. Now what we want to do, I just printed the serial number in the logger. I want to print those serial number in a column. How I can do so? This is the loop will remain same. Okay, here you need to put the conditions, you need to change the condition, you need to make the changes not in these values. Okay, you can do it if you want to make it dynamic. You can make the end number dynamic, last row number, last column number, anything. Okay, so the question is that I want to print the serial number in the Google Sheet in a column. How I can do so? So put here spreadsheet dot get active spreadsheet, get active sheet, okay, and get range. Okay, here you need to write here in the row number K, because K will be the serial number which will be also helping us to capturing the cell number A1, A2, A3 and so on. Okay, the column number would be 1. Dot get set values. In set value you need to provide here K. Just press Ctrl R now. We don't have anything here. You see now what will happen. You just keep from 1 to 10 we have got the serial number. It got executed successfully. The question number 2 also we have done. So this is how that we need to write the code of the loops. You must be aware what actually you want to execute. That's what the requirement should be. The requirement should be quite clear for you. And if condition with the loops, how we can use the if condition here. For example, I want to do the red color, whatever the values are less than 5. Okay, else all the values should be green. How I can do so? So for example, you need to write here like this. If in open bracket you need to write here spreadsheet get active sheet spreadsheet. Okay, get active sheet, get range. Okay, here you need to write row number K1 dot get value, whatever the value you have less than 5, those values should be get. See, in if condition also you need to do the same. Whatever the condition you have, you need to write between the open and close bracket. And if the condition is true, you need to provide what you want to do after the condition got meted. Okay, so you need to put that in the curly bracket. So I want to do this red color in those cells. So how I can do that? A spreadsheet, you can also copy it till here, paste it here. Set background color as red. In else same, in the curly bracket you need to copy this and paste it here. Okay, paste it here. And whatever the values you have in else, you need to provide here green. Simple. As of now you don't have anything, just copy and paste it. I'm deleting everything. Nothing I have in sheet 1 as of now. Now let's execute it. Ctrl R. It is saving my project first. Now it will get start to execute it. You guys see, are you guys able to see? It is 1 2 3 4 is in the red, 1 2 3 4 are in the reds, and rest values got green, right? That's how you guys can you can use the if condition with the loops. And these are the things which will be helping you a lot while doing the automation. Okay, so you guys must have the understanding about these things. So keep on, if you want to capture this code, just capture it. All right, and just keep on doing practice very, very hard. Okay, and the last question, I want to print the odd numbers in the logger. How I can do so? So let's delete it till here. Right here, 4K from 1 to less than 10. Okay, or till 10 I would say. I want to run this loop and I want to print if K is K percent by 2, if this condition is true. So it should be logger dot log should be K. Now you see, Ctrl R, press the Ctrl R. Now you will be able to see all the odd number 1 3 5 7 9. These are the odd number that we have got printed in the logger. So all I want to say that this is how that we can, you know, understand about the loops, we can understand about the if condition, and how we can make it, you know, more dynamic. Those things we will be learning in the upcoming videos. But in today's video, my motive and my objective only was to make you understand about the loops and how we can integrate the lines, I mean the task line, you know, because loop is something different. And what we want to do, we want to, you know, filter out the data, we want to do the copy paste, you know, multiple times. So when it comes about to do the multiple times, so in that case, you know, only one thing which got clicked in our mind is the loop. Only the loop only keeps on running, you know, repetitive time, okay, till repetitive time, whatever the commands we have given, whatever the end value we have given, as per that it keeps on running, it keeps on doing our work, okay, what actually we want to do. All right, so this is how that we can use the if condition, because we have a lot of condition while doing automation, you know, if the value is this, then this should be done, if that should be done, right? So in those scenario, we have to be very careful about the if condition as well, that how we can, you know, integrate the if condition with the loop, okay, how we can use, you know, use both the things together. So this is how that we will be, you know, able to do the automation after learning the loops and if condition. I hope guys you have understood the loops and if condition. Still, if you think that I still something more needs to be, you know, elaborated about this topic, please do let me know in the comment box. I will definitely, you know, try to make that make you know, those things done, okay, for you guys. So thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Thanks a lot. Let's meet in the next video with the interesting and with the amazing topic. Okay guys, bye bye, take care.